Hold you tight. Draw this next. Looks like a good new year. Lucky figure. Black hair and red lips like this are very temperamental. Very expensive face. Juzhou dialect is still my favorite black. More expensive makeup like this. Isn't it still painted in black? I brought this word today called oolong sweet beans. Let me show you. The eyes is kind of inflexible. Nor the black in Wukong. Found his words again. There are a pair of light silver highlight dark lines. Can simulate eye light. I think it just makes people's eyes sparkle. Very energetic. It is the real endorsement of Tiansai eyeballs. I like it very much. This makeup. In fact, it's the ancient alley we've been talking about before. Makeup plus a slightly enlarged 5 rings. Then the pre-makeup moisturizing can be done well. Quickly adjust the complexion. The base makeup should be whiter. I have a new base makeup CP, which is very cute. A thin layer of foundation. In this base makeup, it is very thin and especially tender. The point is that we mentioned the side of the repair. We have to cultivate here all over the country. As for the nose, we will still draw the miniature as usual. Upstream. If you can be in this place, a little below the brow. Bring eye mask. Wee bit this side. A little bit on the forehead. Then draw here with a little up. The whole face has an upward trend. Region 2. Take a look at the whole grooming and brightening. Then we speed it up first. Pay attention when shooting, it must be small division, shoot it open in place. You can use a small puff. Then we put on a creamy blush. The beauty position is diagonal here to the corner of the mouth. Stop kissing the nose. Lower this eyebrow part a little bit. So let's draw a natural hairy flew. Follow your eyebrow. After no use. We directly use an earth color. Bring it a little. Bring eyeshadow as well. I still want to be ready this year. With a red glue pen. Go down here and trace it. As a whole, it will have a sense of atmosphere. We'll also have a sense of temperament. Use a black glue pen to twist the inside wire. Lose a distinct eyelash that won the bidding. Then let's draw eyeliner. Awake. A little more eyes. Knock your nails up and pull them. Let's finish it up with a matte white one. There is currently an eye glue in the adult. Cultural relics done. I'll try the grooming on the nose at home. The bird's nest deepens for him alone here. Heart is clear.